What's the meaning of beauty salon? Beauty salon. Beauty salon.
Beauty salon. Beauty salon. A beauty salon is a business that provides services related to personal appearance care. It typically offers a range of services such as hair cutting and styling, nail care, makeup application, skincare, and other services to enhance one's physical attractiveness and pamper oneself. In addition to providing services, beauty salons also sell beauty products such as cosmetics, hair care, and skincare products. Beauty salons are typically staffed with licensed professionals who have completed relevant training and certification in their respective fields. The goal of a beauty salon is to help customers feel more confident about their appearance and provide them with an enjoyable experience.